welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today it's going to be a lovely different collections. It's going to be pure handloom cotton sarees and two different kind of sarees, one from the south and one from the north. The south is going to be Rasipuram cotton, handloom cotton sarees, and the other one is going to be Ikat cotton sarees or Shambalpur cottons or Orissa cotton, however they call you. It's been called in different ways. These two varieties we are going to see in today's video. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. It's such a wow, nice handloom cotton saree. Very, very nice and soft material. Pure handloom these are been done in this is actually Rasipuram handloom cottons. Very, very unique variety they have. Both the sides it's a contrast mustard color border, and top of it we have a beautiful temple talam, they call it temple border, some call it talambu border, but a very beautiful border which has been running along the saree. Very, very lovely design, and throughout the body it's plain, and we have a beautiful contrast pallu that's in mustard, and a very, very pretty blouse in mustard, and the price of this saree is 1750. We have some lovely amazing combination in this. This is actually a korbai weaving. What we do in actual pattu saree, that is the kind of weaving which has been done in this saree also. Beautiful parrot green with mustard maroon combination. A lovely pattern. This is the body of the saree. A lovely body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is a contrast maroon color, and again the blouse is in maroon, and the price of the saree is 1750. We have another color combo, beautiful brown with mustard combination. Lovely color combination these are, like you will get all these in pure pattu sarees which is being done in the cotton sarees. Very, very beautiful border. This is the village where the actually got this design. These were the people who actually found this design and first been done in this place. Very, very pretty design. From there only actually these design came in Kanjipuram also. This is the body of the saree, a maroon with mustard, and the pallu of the saree is a lovely mustard, and again the blouse is a mustard combination, and the price of the saree is 1750. We have one more beautiful combination, that's off-white with mustard again. Lovely combo, beautiful one. You look classy when you wear these kind of cotton sarees. People who really like just handloom cottons would love these cottons. I'll just show you the saree again. Put it on me and show you. A lovely pattern, beautiful design, beautiful pattern. Throughout the body it's plain, and in the bottom part we have the lovely talambu border, and the pallu of the saree is this, and again the blouse is contrast mustard color. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1750. It's again a beautiful talambu design pattern. Both the sides we have a nice contrast border in mustard, and in this border we have a small checks which has been running in the borders, and above that we have the beautiful talambu, and throughout the body it's a plain one. Beautiful design, very classy ones these are, and the pallu of the saree is in contrast mustard color, and the blouse of the saree is in mustard contrast again. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1900. It's again a beautiful nice handloom cotton saree, beautiful weaving. It's completely done in hand. It's a nice navy blue with pink combination. Both the sides it's a contrast pink border, and throughout the body we have a manga pate which has been running along the saree. Beautiful design, and a very nice grand pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, a pretty one, and the blouse of the saree is in contrast pink, and the price of the saree is 1990. We have one more color combo in the same pattern. I'll show you that also. That's a very unique combo. A lovely beige with a blue combination. Very different combination this saree is. This is the body of the saree. A beige with blue combination. A beautiful design. Beautiful pattern. See how beautiful the weaving has been done. Completely hand woven design. And these are all 120 counts, which will be perfect ideal for the summer, like who really wants an alternative for pattu saree, who don't like to wear pattu in the summer. These cottons will be ideal for you. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu in blue, and the blouse of the saree is again in contrast blue color, and the price of the saree is 1990. It's again a beautiful cotton saree, handloom cotton again. A lovely different combination, gray with blue combination. On the borders we have a lovely contrast blue border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful floral pattern of weaving which has been done. It's completely thread weaving, beautiful design. You can have a closer look of the design. It's all hand weaved, like single buttas. The threads will not come. It's all single weaved. I think you can see the back side of the design. Beautiful one. It's all single design which has been done. Beautiful things. And throughout the body it's the beautiful floral pattern. And the pallu of the saree is a nice rich pallu. And it's a beautiful contrast blue blouse. And the price of the saree is 1880. We have one more color combo in this pattern again. I'll show you that also. It's a nice beautiful light pink. It's a lotus pink or baby pink, that kind of a shade. In that we have a beautiful pista green border. Very different combination, very unique combination. And throughout the body we have cute nice buttas running along the saree. A small buttas, these are very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the saree, a simple neat elegant pallu. And the blouse of the saree is in green, and the price of the saree is 1880. We have two more other designs in the similar material. This is a beautiful navy blue with a pink combination. A very pretty design. Both the sides we have pink color border. This is not a very bright pink. This is more of a tomato pink. A lovely design. This is the body of the saree. A beautiful design. And throughout the saree we have these buttas which has been running along the saree. These are all hand weaved. Beautiful ones. And this is the pallu of the saree. A neat nice simple pallu. Hand woven pallu. Beautiful one. And the blouse of the saree is in contrast pink color. And the price of the saree is 1700. We have one more color combination in this pattern. That's a different color, a beautiful vadamali with a green combination. And the motifs which has been weaved are in different color combinations. One is a mustard and another is a green. Very differently weaved one. Very different combination also. Very unique designs and unique colors. These sarees will be so soft after wash. Since it's all 120 counts, it will be so super fine. This is the body of the saree, a beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a lovely pallu, a thread weave rich pallu. And the blouse of the saree is in green. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1700. This is a nice material. It's a Shambalpur cotton. These weavings are done in parts of Orissa in Shambalpur. This is again a hand weaved saree. Very pretty designs which they do in the sarees. When you understand how they do in the hand weave, it's very different when you could create when you bring different designs in these type of patterns. Very nice material and a nice pattern. It's a very super soft quality. It's a nice off-white with orange combination Sambalpur saree. Both the sides a contrast orange color border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat weaving which has been done along the saree. Lovely design. And the pallu of the saree is this. And for these sarees we do not have blouses, so you can just patch it up with plain blouse or some contrast blouses also. It will look very, very pretty. A beautiful design, and the price of the saree is 1970. We have some lovely designs and colors in this pattern. I'll show you the next colors. This is a nice pink with green combo. This is the body of the saree. A beautiful pink with green combo. This is more of an onion pink, darker onion pink shade. It's not any mithai pink. It's more of that onion pink and green combination. Lovely design. And the pallu of the saree is this. And the body you have completely ikat weave design, and even in the pallu you have that ikat weave. It's a beautiful patterns and beautiful designs, and the price of the saree is 1970. Next we have a lovely, lovely green, dark bottle green with yellow combination. A very, very pretty design in the ikat pattern. This is the body of the saree. A lovely design, and throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat pattern which has been running along the body. And the pallu of the saree is this. A beautiful ikat pallu. A lovely pallu. And next we have another color. I'll show you the next color. The next comes a lovely dark maroon with green combination. Very unique combinations they use it, and because of the contrast it looks very, very pretty. All these comes without blouses. These are all just 5.4 to 5.5 meters only sarees. These are a beautiful, lovely design. Throughout the body we have a nice ikat pattern which has been running along the body with contrast borders on both the sides. And the pallu of the saree is again a beautiful ikat pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, a lovely ikat pallu. And the price of the saree is 1970. Next is a very, very beautiful different combination. A lovely purple with black combination. Very different a combination this is. You will love the color combination when you see this. Beautiful ikat weaving which has been done along the body of the saree. A lovely color combo and a lovely design. Pretty ones these are, and super soft qualities which will be ideal for the summer. Lovely designs. And the pallu of the saree is this. And the pallu of the saree is in dark purple color. Very differently weaved. Beautiful a design. And this is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1970. And there is one more color combination in this. That's a red with green combo. It's not too bright a red, slightly a lighter red. Very neat and clear, clean colors. Very, very subtle colors, and a beautiful design. A ikat body. Very pretty design. And this is the pallu of the saree in green ikat design. This is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body of the saree. And the price of the saree is 1970. For these sarees you don't need to starch. It will be super soft when you don't starch it. But if you want some mild stiffness, you can starch these sarees. They'll not stick too much of starch, so it will just give you a mild stiffness to the sarees, but it's just awesome a quality. Just buy and check the feel of these sarees which are super nice. And the price of the saree is 1970. In this we have another pattern which I am going to show you now. This is the very famous temple pattern design in the ikat weaving. Very, very pretty and a very lovely design. This is the body of the saree. Both the sides it's a beautiful temple borders which has been on both the sides of the saree, and lovely pallu. This is the pallu of the saree. Very, very pretty design. A lovely design. And the price of this saree is 1270. We have two other combinations in this. This is again a beautiful lotus pink with red color combo in this. Yeah, this is the body of the sari. A beautiful design, a light lotus pink with a nice beautiful red combination and a lovely talambu border, and the body will be completely plain and a lovely beautiful weaved pallu. And one thing I want to tell about this sari, since it's all hand weaved, on the back side of the pallu you will have threads in it. Don't think that it is some mistake or something like that. It is not a mistake. Since it's all hand weave, those kind of designs will have threads at the back of their designs. It will be there only in the pallu, not in the body. In the pallu you'll have the thread weaves. So there's one more combination in this. That's a beautiful maroon with black combo. If you pair it up with some nice ikat blouses, they will look just awesome. And the price of the sari is 1270. Nice design. This is the body of the sari, maroon with beautiful black combination, lovely design. And the pallu of the sari is this, a beautiful pallu, a lovely design, and the price of the sari is 1270. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely handloom cotton saris. They are such beautifully weaved by the weavers. I'm sure you'd have liked it. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.